Whirlpool 245 liters 3-star 2019 frost-free double-door refrigerator. Neo DF258 Roy Sapphire Abyss 3s Sapphire Abyss. Frost-free refrigerator auto defrost function to prevent ice buildup. Capacity 245 liters suitable for families with 2 to 3 members. Freezer capacity 75 liters. Fresh food capacity 167 liters. Energy efficiency 3-star rating. Manufacturer warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Shelf type, toughened glass. Included in box 1 refrigerator, 1 user manual and 1 warranty card. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.